Hello, and welcome to this episode about what not to include in a resume. There are a few elements that most recruiters agree shouldn't be included on a resume. They are graphical elements that evaluate the candidate's performance on different topics, personal information, and salary history. There has been a trend of including graphical elements that measure your expertise in a particular topic. For example, 4 out of 5 stars in communication skills. However, most career experts agree that this information doesn't add value to your resume. First, because they are biased. A candidate would never include a 1 out of 5 stars in social skills in their resume. So the graphical elements only tell part of the story. Second, it's the interviewer's job to judge your performance in different areas. It's not appropriate to evaluate yourself on specific topics. Besides, the information you have in other sections of your resume should already highlight your skills in areas of expertise. Thus, don't include graphical elements in your resume. Regarding personal information, don't add age, date of birth, race, gender, sexual orientation, religion, political affiliation, and the names and ages of your spouse and children to your resume. That information doesn't have, or at least should not have, any impact to evaluate your capability to execute the role. If it does, you better reconsider your potential employer. Your salary history is an issue you can discuss with the employer during an interview or after being offered the job. You do not want to establish a salary range before you have even been offered an interview. Therefore, leave salary history out of your resume. In the next episode, we'll explore the elements that may or may not be included in your resume. I'll see you there.